In this video, I'll show you how to see and delete old Telegram profile picture. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of contents like this. Head over to Telegram, right? So if you want to see your different old Telegram pictures, click on the settings. Click on your profile, right? So I think this is our current profile picture. So if I click on this, I'm gonna see this as well now. So if you love to delete some profile picture like some old ones, and just click on this. Okay, I think it's from here, right? Okay, wait. Okay, so I just checked I just checked through something right now. I don't think you can delete it from here on your Telegram. Like if you're using PC, right? If you want to do this, you might just log it out. So I don't think it's what we're gonna be doing, right? So, but if you're using your phone, you're gonna be seeing a display icon like this, right? It's gonna tell you delete, right? So if you click on that delete, you're gonna delete this old one. You go back again, click on that delete, you're gonna delete this one as well. Click on that delete, it's gonna delete this as well, right? And so on and so forth. So this is basically how you can see and delete old Telegram profile pictures. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next video.